3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this guide, we'll explore how to recover your Gmail account if you've lost access to your phone number and recover email. Whether your account has been hacked or you've misplaced your device, these steps will help you regain access. Start by opening the Google app on your phone. Long press the app icon, select app information, then go to permissions and set the location access to don't allow. Minimize the app and repeat the same steps for the Google Chrome browser, ensuring location permissions are disabled. Next, access the open by default settings in Chrome's app information and clear the defaults. Then, download and install the Mini Turbo browser from the Google Play Store. Open the browser, navigate to Google's sign-in page, and input your Gmail address. When prompted for a password, click Forgot Password. If Google requests two-step verification, select Try Another Way. Avoid retrying repeatedly as it could lock your account. Instead, go to your phone settings, tap on Google, open the Help menu, and search for Recover Your Account. Follow the prompts to access the account recovery page via the Mini Turbo browser. Once there, enter your Gmail address and proceed. When successful, update your password by setting a new strong one. After changing the password, secure your account further by updating your recovery email and phone number to prevent unauthorized access in the future.